What's up, YouTube? Today we're doing the 99 quadrunner LT160. I'm gonna strip it all down, get these racks off. I already got the seat off. You see the seat out there. My buddy Justin's gonna help me out today. I have the little toys, don't tell nobody. But we already started taking the back rack off. We're gonna have it stripped down. It's not gonna look anything like this when I'm done. Wait and see. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications. What's up, YouTube fam? Back. It has now been 8 hours later. I have gotten the whole quad broken down. Got it all repainted. Still missing that battery cover. Plastics are